এবারে nomenclature, very very important. In organic compound, nomenclature is very very important. Without nomenclature, how we can name it? Okay, how we can call a compound? আমি যদি তোমাদের নাম না জানি কি করে আমি ডাকবো বলো, চিনবো কি করে, বুঝবো কি করে, কাকে ডাকবো? অর্থাৎ অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ড, we should remember that it is very important. IUPAC name, what is IUPAC? International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, this is an organization. They can decide the name of an organic compound or inorganic compound. They can decide only. We are not able to give a name. Okay, if I discover a new compound, but the name will be provided by this organization. The rule, longest chain rule. What is the longest chain rule? What will be the longest chain rule? Select the longest continuous chain of our carbon compound. This is called longest chain rule. And this carbon is known as parent carbon or parent chain. Carbon atoms which are not included in the parent will not called in the chain. Okay, are called a branch chain. So this is, if this is a compound, so which one is the first one? Which one is the first? Bolo, which one is the first carbon? This is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, this is carbon number 3, this is carbon number 4, like this. Okay, how? This is carbon number 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is carbon number 7. Okay, and this is a chain. This is known as parent chain. Okay, and this is known as branch chain. This is branch, this is branch. So this is substituent, this is substituent, that's why branch chain, and this is parent chain. This long chain is known as parent chain. Okay, so carbon number, why not this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? But from here, from the left hand side, in the second position we have a branch. So we are numbering from the left hand side, not from the right hand side, because from the right hand side the branch is in the 3 position. Okay, but from the left hand side this is in 2nd position. So for this reason, the numbering from the left hand side. Now what is the chain here? First carbon is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7, 8, 9. This is now in its branch chain. This is not in chain. This is branch chain, because longest chain is this. This is the longest chain. Okay, this is the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6, 7. It contains 7 carbon atoms, but this is branch chain. No, actually this will not be branch, but this will be the branch. Okay, this is the branch, and this this is the chain and this is the branch. Okay, this is the branch carbon. Clear? 7, 8, 9. So in a chain there is a 9 carbon, but this chain contains 7 carbon, so it is not a longest chain. This is the longest chain. So at first we remember that for a carbon, at first we select the longest chain. So it contains 9 carbon. It is known as nonane. 2,6-dimethyl-nonane. They are coming. So this is the wrong chain, because the longest chain contains 9 carbon. But if we consider if it is branch chain, then the longest chain contains 7 carbon. So it is a wrong. Okay. So this is the right. In this way we can select the longest chain. Clear? So it may be noted that the longest chain may or may not have straight, but it must be continuous. Okay, it must be continuous. Clear? Any problem? Bolbe. Rule 2, longest, देखो, lowest number rule. Which was the lowest number rule? The number that carbon of the parent chain 1 2 3 4 5 etc. starting from that end, which gives the lowest possible number of carrying the substituent. That's mean we will not numbering from here. We will numbering from here. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, not from the left right hand side. Why? Because this is not correct. Why? Because this substituent will be passed from the left hand side. Okay, so this is the position. Okay, so carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, 5 in this way. Okay, this is wrong. The second one is wrong. So first one is correct. This is wrong. Okay, so wrong numbering. Why it is wrong numbering? Because the branch chain is in the second position, and from here this is in fourth position. So this is not correct. So this is the correct numbering, because this two position comes after 1. So which was the better numbering? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 6 carbon in a branch. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so there is a chain, and again there is another chain. So which one is the correct? This is another group, there is another group, there is another group. Okay, this group is known as methyl group, this group is known as ethyl group. Okay, methyl, ethyl, methyl, if CH4, it is known as methane. Okay, it is methane, this is methane. And if we replace, or if we subtract a hydrogen from here, then we will get CH3. Okay, and there is another hand, it is empty hand. So this group is known as methyl group, it comes from methane. This group is known as ethyl group, because CH3 is the ethyl group. CH3 is ethane. CH3 is ethane. So from here we are getting this group CH2 CH3. Okay, it is ethyl group. So methane to methyl, ethane to ethyl. Clear? Propane to propyl. So these 2 carbon in a chain, there is a 6 carbon, and there is another group, there is a 2 group. So this is known as isopropyl group, but here it is methyl group, this is ethyl group. Clear? So if the chain of equal length are possible, select the one with the largest or larger number of side chain. So first one is the correct. If 1 2 3 4 5 6, this 6 carbon, it is also contains 6 carbon in a chain. It also contains 6 carbon, but this 6 carbon contains 2 substituent group, but here only 1 group. So first one is the correct representation of the compound. Okay, this is the correct representation of the compound. Clear? Rule number 4. If the same substituent or side chain occurs more than once, then di, tri, tetra, penta, etc. are attached to the name of the substituent. That means there is a methyl group. there is another methyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a 4 carbon containing chain. This is known as butane. But there is a methyl in 2 position. There is a methyl. This is 3 position. So there is another methyl. So 2, 3 dimethyl butane. What will be the name? 2 position contains 1 methyl group. 3 position contains another methyl group. Clear? 2 position contains methyl group. 3 position contains another methyl group. So it is 2, 3 dimethyl butane. There is a long chain, contains 4 carbon and it is alkane. So it is butane. Clear? Because there is a same position 1, 2 or 1, 2. Since it is symmetrical, so from any side we can numbering it. Okay. So what is this? This is 2, 3 hyphen dimethyl. So why it is di is coming here? Because there is a 2 methyl group. That's mean 2 substituent group. Now what happened here? This is ethyl group. This is also ethyl group. This is ethyl group. This is also known as ethyl group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is long chain contains 6 carbon. Long chain contains 6 carbon and it is known as hexane. Long chain contains 6 carbon and it is known as hexane. And ethyl group in 3 position. Ethyl group is 3 position and there is a 2 ethyl group. There is a 2 ethyl group. So diethyl. So 3, 3 diethyl. Because in 3 position there is a 2 ethyl group. So 3, 3 diethyl hexane. The nomenclature of this compound, this nomenclature will be 3, 3 diethyl. Not 4, 4. It is 3, 3 diethyl. Okay. Which one is the correct? Which one is the correct? Because 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. So which one is the short? 6. So it will be 3, 3 diethyl, not 4, 4 diethyl. So from left hand side, we should numbering it, not from the right hand side. Okay. So this is the correct 3, 3 diethyl hexane. So this is rule number 4. Now what happened? This will be first one. Now we are numbering from right hand side. Okay, because there is a 2 methyl. From methyl this 2 position. Okay, so this is wrong. Clear? This is methyl, this is another methyl. So there is a 3 methyl. So try what will be come here. Okay, so 1, 2. So 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexane. So which one is the correct? 2 plus 2 plus 5 and 2 plus 5 plus 5. Which one is the larger? This is. So from the right hand side we can numbering it, not from the left hand side. Okay, because in the 2 position methyl, 2 position another methyl, 5 position methyl. So 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexane. So what will be the name of this compound? 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexane. 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexane. Is it okay? And rule 5. If 2 different substituents are located at equivalent position, if 2 different substituents are located at equivalent position from the 2 ends of the main chain, then the numbering of the chain done in such a way that alkyl group which come first in alphabet. Okay. So ethyl is come first than methyl because M and E. Which one is first in alphabet? E. That's the ethyl. Though ethyl is larger than this. Okay. So it is actually 4 ethyl, 3 methyl hexane. Or 3 ethyl, which is 1, 2, 3, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So alphabet E is first. Okay. So E is first. So 3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane will be the correct answer. Okay. E is first. So 1, 2, 3, and from here 1, 2, 3. But it is methyl. So in alphabetically, if it is symmetrical, then which one will come first? E. Then 1, 2, 3. That's when 3 carbon contains. Carbon number 3 contains ethyl group. So 3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane. It is the right nomenclature. Clear? Then this is a branch chain also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is group, okay? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So long chain is 8 carbon maximum. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 2 position contains 2 methyl group. 6 position contains methyl group. But 4 position contains 1, 2, and that's mean here is a 1, 2, 3, and there is a methyl group. Okay. So overall it is octane in the long chain. Okay. But there is a 3 methyl. 1, 2, 3. 3 methyl. That's mean 2 position contains methyl and another methyl. So 2, 2, and 6 trimethyl. 4 number carbon contains. There is a group and 1 methyl propyl. That is 1 methyl. This is propyl. This is methyl and this is propyl. It attached with the 4 carbon. So 4 in bracket 1 methyl propyl. This total group is known as 1 methyl. 1. This carbon is 1. This is 1 methyl. This is propyl. Okay. Propyl means 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. And methyl means 1 carbon. So 4 number carbon contains 1 methyl propyl group. So and total number of carbon is 8. Hence it is octane. 1 carbon, if there is a carbon 1 methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Then if it is exceed 10 carbon, then monodecane, dodecane, tridecane. In this way nomenclature will be occur. Okay. So what is the nomenclature of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is octane. And 2, 2, 6 trimethyl. 4 carbon contains 1 methyl propyl. So overall it is octane. Clear? Now what will be the nomenclature of this compound? This is known as neopentyl group. Okay, this is known as neopentyl group. This is known as neopentyl group. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is nonane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon contains neopentyl. So 5 neopentyl nonane. Okay. This is alicyclic compound. You know this is alicyclic compound. This is methyl hexyl. Okay. This is cyclohexane group. So methyl cyclohexane. This is methyl group. This is cyclohexane. So methyl cyclohexane. What is this? Now there is another cyclic compound. This is another cyclic compound, and this is ethyl, and this is methyl. Okay. So we should remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So cyclopentane is this. This is cyclopentane, but first carbon contains ethyl, second carbon contains methyl. So 1 ethyl, 2 methyl, cyclopentane. Okay. So this is cyclopentane. 1 carbon contains, first carbon contains ethyl and second carbon contains methyl. So 1 ethyl, 2 methyl, cyclopentane. It is the IUPAC name. This is the IUPAC name. Okay. What is this? Cyclohexane. Okay. So 1 dimethyl, 2 ethyl. Okay. So 2 ethyl. What will be the nomenclature? 2 ethyl hyphen 1 dimethyl hyphen cyclohexane. Okay. Because alphabetically ethyl group is first, but this is the first number carbon. So 2 position contains ethyl. So 2 ethyl, 1 dimethyl. Okay, cyclohexane. Clear? বুঝতে পারছো? Any problem থাকলে বলবে। Ethyl 1 dimethyl cyclohexane. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 carbon is there, and 1 carbon contains 2 methyl. But alphabetically, ethyl group is first. Should be written according to IUPAC nomenclature. This is OH. This is alcoholic group. OH means alcoholic group, or it is hydroxyl group. Okay. So nomenclature of organic compounds having one or more than one functional group. OH is the functional group. It is alcoholic group. Okay. So this is the functional group. So 2 all. That's mean butane 2 all. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And there is a OH in second position. So this is a butane. So now what will be the nomenclature of this? Butane 2 all, because in 2 position there is a OH. So butane 2 all. What will be this? 2-chlorobutane or butane. This is not butane 2-chlorol. No, because OH containing compound is known as all. Okay, OH, if there is a OH, then all what will become? Okay, all is coming for OH group. All is coming for OH group. This is 2-chlorobutane. Okay, this 2 position contains chlorine. So 2-chlorobutane. Clear? Now what will be the nomenclature of this? Oxo. Okay. Now if there is a C double bond O, it is known as ketone. If there is a carbon, if there is a carbon, there is a carbon. If carbon is there, then it is ketone. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a 2 position contains one and 4 position contains one. That's mean ketone. So pentane 2, 4 dione, because there is a 2 one. 2 keto group is there. 2 keto group is there. Okay. 2 keto group is there. Hence pentane 2, 4 dione. And this is double bond. So it is in alkene. So 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is actually pentane, but since it is in double bond contains means alkene. So pent 1, 3 in, okay, diin, okay, তাহলে 1,3 diin, তাহলে পেন্টা 1,3 diin, one position contains in and three position contains in. For this reason, diin, there is a 2 in, okay. Penta, because there is a long chain, it contains 5 carbon, so penta 1,3 diin. Clear? Priority for the functional group. Which group is the prior group? Acid group. If there is a acid group and alcohol group, then which will be the first or priority group? Acid group is the priority group. Then this is ester group, this is ester, okay, this is ester, this is amide group, amide, this is cyanide group, this is aldehyde group, this is keto group, this is alcoholic group or hydroxyl group, this is amine group, this is alkene group, this is alkyne group, okay. কারা বুঝতে অসুবিধা হলে বলো। দিস ইজ অ্যাসিড গ্রুপ, দিস ইজ এস্টার গ্রুপ, দিস ইজ অ্যামাইড গ্রুপ, অ্যামাইড, দিস ইজ সায়ানাইড গ্রুপ, সায়ানাইড, দিস ইজ অ্যালডিহাইড গ্রুপ, দিস ইজ কার্বনিল or keto group, this is keto, this is hydroxyl group, this is amine group, this is alkene group, this is alkyne group, okay. Now this is aldehyde, so this carbon must be 1 carbon, this is 2 carbon, this is 3 and this is 4 carbon, okay. Clear? So carbon number 1, this is the priority. According to priority, CaHO will be first, so this is first carbon, then second carbon, then third, this is fourth. So but 2-enal, there is a 2 position contains in, and this is aldehyde, for this reason it is al, so but 2-enal, enal means aldehyde group and in means double bond alkene group, okay. In second position or second carbon contains double bond, so 2-en, and this is aldehyde, hence it is al. Clear? Now this is first carbon is acid group containing carbon is first carbon, then it is second carbon, this is third carbon, okay. Clear? So acid group containing carbon is first carbon, then this is second carbon, this is third carbon, and second carbon contains OH group, but overall this compound is acid because in priority group is acid group, this is the acid group, so propanoic acid, but it is not only propanoic acid but 2-hydroxy, 2 position contains OH, so 2-hydroxy propanoic acid, 3 carbon containing acid means propanoic acid, 2 carbon containing acid means ethanoic acid, 4 carbon containing acid means butanoic acid, in this way, okay. So according to priority group, carbon is first carbon, then this 2 and this 3, so 2-hydroxy propanoic acid কেটে যাবে, ঠিক আছে, আর অন হতে হবে না, নেক্সট ডেতে আমরা কন্টিনিউ করব, ওকে, বুঝেছো? উত্তরিকা সবাই আছো তো? ঠিক আছে, দেখো এটা কি ডাবল বন্ড ফার্স্ট 1 2 3 4 5, this is pent 2-en 1-en 3-ine, okay, pent 1-en, 1 contains double bond and 3 carbon, third carbon contains triple bond, that's an ine, alkyne, okay. আমরা এগুলো পরের দিন আবার ডিসকাস করব, ওই অ্যালকেন অ্যালকাইন